Hello guys, welcome back to Technical GM. It's been a long time since I have met you. Sorry guys, I'm uploading videos irregularly. So because of that reason, today I have come up with new experiment called balloon air pump. It is very useful for you because generally in birthday parties, it will take long time for blowing the balloons. Without that, you can use this balloon air pump because it will save your time and your energy. Just few materials you require for making this experiment. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
The required materials for making balloon air pump are Bondtite. You can also use Aerolite also. Okay. Fevikwik. Then cycle tube valve required. PVC pipe of any length your wish. This is piece of PVC pipe. We have to make it a PVC sheet. We are heating PVC sheet. We are heating the PVC sheet. Okay. Now we are making it straight. We have to use flat surface. So we have made PVC sheet. So this is small piece of PVC pipe. We have to mark one circle. So I have marked one circle. Now we are going to cut this circle. Now we are going to cut it into the circle. We have cut this and now we are going to rub the edges with sandpaper. So we have rubbed with sandpaper. We have to make a hole in the PVC sheet for cycle valve. Okay. So now I have made a hole for this PVC sheet. Now I am going to stick this cycle valve into this. Okay. Now I am going to add Fevikwik to this. We have sticked it this funnel. We have to cut it till here and stick it to PVC pipe. So I am going to mark now. So we have cut it. Now we are going to rub with sandpaper. So now we have to stick it with Fevikwik. I am sticking with Fevikwik. Now we are going to mix Bondtite and stick it to this funnel and this cycle tube. This solution Bondtite, we have to mix part A and part B solutions. We have to mix it in this one. Now we are mixing it. We are going to add this one also. The solution is now ready. Now I am going to add to this cycle valve. I have added to this cycle valve chemical. Now we are going to add to this funnel. We are going to stick to this PVC pipe, this PVC sheet. Okay. I'm using this fabric.
So guys, you have to keep this balloon to this funnel, and you have to keep this pump to this cycle valve, and you have to let it dry till this 1 hour, because it will be wet and it will come out, the solution will come out. So guys, now we are going to test it. Now let us pump. You can see the air is going. Now I am pumping. You can see it is working, guys. I hope you like my experiment. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. I'll meet in this new experiment. Okay guys, till then, bye.